So MEGA is the Male Enrollment and Graduation Alliance. It is a collective of educators, community members, students coming together to address and explore the success factors of Black and Latino male students.
During the symposium, scholars will be able to engage in barbershop talk. We're going to have multiple keynote speakers. We're going to have brotherhood circles where they can talk about their experiences and the challenges they're currently facing. During the Mega Symposium, the professionals are going to be able to engage in roundtable conversations. We're going to have very dynamic keynote speakers, breakout sessions. We're going to have an award luncheon and a commemorative photo for everyone in attendance.
The Mega Symposium will impact the high school students who attend by encouraging them to actually apply to college and encouraging them that college is a huge benefit for them and motivating them to get through all the processes that comes with.
I see young men, Black and brown students that come from the same area that I come from, who look just like me. Seeing them be impacted by all the wise words that was spoken, seeing them find their passion, seeing them be excited about going to college, seeing them engage and having questions about what college looks like, what college feels like, but most of all, seeing them ready to graduate from high school and transition into their next calling at college was amazing for me to see.
MEGA was founded in fall of 2022 to essentially identify strategies to best serve Black and Latinx males. Once you make an observation, you have an obligation. So the preliminary work of MEGA ultimately identified a gap in the success of Black and Latinx males as it relates to enrollment, retention, and graduation nationally. We have made great success at Montclair State University, and we want to take the lead as it relates to improving outcomes nationwide for Black and Latinx males.
It is not only an opportunity for us to provide information, but it's also an opportunity to make a statement that our students, our Black and Latino male students, matter to us, and that we're coming together to address the specific strategies that will yield their success.
Sometimes they may not see a lot of people who look like them, sound like them in their communities. So coming to a symposium like this where they're going to be surrounded by this encouragement and motivation, I really think it's going to allow them to see themselves in a light where maybe they weren't able to see themselves before.
As an educator, I see how education impacts our students outside of the four walls of the classroom. So having people who look just like them, giving them tips and educating them on what college is and how exciting it is to come to college will truly be impactful to not only the students, but the educators as well.